Hello everyone, welcome to our segment SJC Opinionated, where we talk to people from our campus and know their opinions on relevant issues concerning the country and everything else.
I come from an India where we worship women during the day and gang rape them at night. I come from an India where we claim to be divided over Bollywood on Twitter and yet are united by Bollywood in the darkness of a theatre.
On November 15, comedian and actor Veer Das released a video clip on YouTube where he spoke of two Indias. In the monologue, where he's speaking to an audience in a sold-out show in the Kennedy Center, Washington DC, he's talking about the many contradictions in India. He spoke about the politics of India, women's safety, COVID-19 and much more. Right? And since the video has been released, there have been multiple controversies around it. Multiple FIRs have been registered against him. He has been banned in states like Madhya Pradesh to perform. So today, in our segment, in SJC Opinionated, we will speak to people from our campus on this particular issue, the comedian, his work, this particular video clip, its reaction.
Hi Sudarshini.
Hi.
Do you know Veer Das, the comedian?
Yeah, I know.
Have you watched his news segment, The Two Indias?
Yes, I have watched that.
Like, what is your comment on it?
I think for most part he did speak the truth, and receiving criticism for his stand-up comedy I think is really unfair because it's just comedy, and I think people should kind of calm down, especially Twitter. Like there's a lot of cancel culture happening right now. I think these Twitterati have to like calm down and let people speak what they have to speak, because he has the right to speak, and yeah, that's what my opinion is.
Hi Ritik, welcome to our segment SJC Opinionated. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So you watch stand-up comedy, right?
Yeah, occasionally.
Did you watch Veer Das's recent clip, Two Indias?
I did.
So what do you feel about it?
I feel he was absolutely spot on in whatever he said. And in fact, he's right. There are two Indias, one which is tolerant and one which is intolerant.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, and this is not the first time that FIRs are registered on like comedians, and the same has happened with Veer Das. So what do you feel about like?
See, that's what he meant. No, the two Indias, the intolerant India is who filed FIRs, the Twitter ban Veer Das, cancel Veer Das. What he said makes sense. The people who are against him says that he defamed India online. I don't agree with that absolutely, because whatever he said is right.
Absolutely.
So that's it. What Veer Das said was bang on. I agree with that 100%.
Absolutely, I agree too. To SJC Opinionated, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Thanks for joining us. Do you watch stand-up comedy?
Yeah, I do. I used to.
So, you have heard about Veer Das, right?
Yes, of course.
So, did you watch his segment Two Indias, the recent video?
No, I didn't.
You haven't? So, there's a lot of controversy around it, so we are speaking to people about it. So, what do you think of Veer Das as a comedian, if you have seen his work?
He's a lot funnier, and he talks about certain topics and he picks up on it and then makes it a little bit funnier, but there's a huge message that he wants to put out to the country. So, yeah, that's like a better and a good way to communicate and bring awareness to the people.
True. So, you mean that as a comedian also he tries to be political and tries to convey a message?
Yeah, that's what I feel. It's just like a message. I don't think political, because I don't know much about him. That's like a deep topic. But yes, he conveys a lot of message and brings out awareness. Like he talks about office life and like HR and then bosses and then from my perspective. So yeah.
Hi Shreya. Hey. How are you today? Awesome. Well, welcome to our segment called SJC Opinionated. Thank you for being here. So, Shreya, do you know about the comedian Veer Das and his new segment that he performed, Two Indias?
Yes.
Alright, and what do you think about it? Like, what is your opinion about it? Because there's a lot of controversy surrounding
Yeah, that's true. Actually, the thing is that I feel he just talked reality, We are living in two Indias. So, I mean, he just spoke his heart out there, I feel, and it just went too controversial because, I don't know the reason, so I'll just omit the because, it went too controversial and I guess I have no opinion on it.
What do you think about about all these comedians, not just Vedas, but a lot of these comedians, they have been charged or filed with a lot of FIRs. What do you have to say about that?
I feel it's. I feel okay. Sometimes the things go like too overboard, but yeah, like moral policing is happening too. I mean, we can see the moral policing happening too frequent these days. I like no comments on why it's happening though, because yeah, that would be a very controversial statement again. But yeah, I feel it's too much. Too much. Yeah. I feel
Thank you so much, Shreya. That was really insightful. Thank you for your opinion.
Hi Afreen, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Godwin, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm great. So, how's the weather treating you?
It's very unpredictable. I wear good clothes, like winter clothes, and it's sunny, and I wear like not so winter clothes, and it's very chill. So,
India sure is going through some great climate change. Speaking about climate change in India, have you heard about Veer Das?
yes, I have. He's a pretty good comedian, I feel. Speaks out whatever important topics that need to be spoken about.
So, I think now that you know Veer Das, you must have heard his latest monologue, The Two Indias. So, what do you feel about that monologue if you have heard about it?
Yes, I did listen to his monologue. I feel he's talking about the topics that India needs to address right now. Also, that he's not covering a few more topics that need to be spoken about. But again, you can't blame him, right? He is at least doing his part in bringing out the facts and bringing out the things that need to be spoken about. So, yeah, I think it's good.
So this is definitely not the first time that there has been controversy surrounding an artist or a comedian who has spoken about this country, its politics, a certain religion, the authorities. Debates about free speech has been continuing forever, and as far as we have seen, it will continue forever. So that's it for today, guys. See you in another segment of SJC Opinionated, where we speak about certain relevant issues to our people from our very own campus. Signing off. Thank you. Goodbye.